Welcome! If you're looking to take control of your Instagram privacy, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to disable the sharing of stories you're mentioned in on Instagram with the most up-to-date steps for 2025. Whether you want to stop others from resharing your mentions or just want a little more privacy, this quick guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open up your Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to adjust. Once you're in, look to the bottom right corner of your screen and tap your profile icon. This will take you straight to your profile page. Now, at the top right corner of your profile, you'll see the three horizontal lines, often called the menu or hamburger icon. Go ahead and tap on that. A menu will slide out with several options. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Sharing. Tap on Sharing to open up your sharing settings. Here, you'll find different options related to how your content and mentions are shared on Instagram. Look for the setting that says Stories they're mentioned in. You'll notice there's a toggle switch next to it. If the switch is on, it means people you mention in your stories can share those stories to their own followers. To turn this off, simply tap the toggle. It should switch from blue to gray, indicating that the feature is now disabled. And that's it. You've just stopped others from sharing stories you mention them in. This gives you more control over your content and who gets to share it. If you ever change your mind, you can always come back and turn the toggle back on. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Instagram tips and tricks. Stay tuned for more ways to take charge of your social media experience.